Hello everyone, welcome once again to the Easy Earners Club. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make use of gift cards and hash card in your Satoshi app, as well as in your VERDA City app. So the essence of this is that when you do this, even without getting referrals, it increases your mining rate. So let's go straight to gift. Let's start with hash card first. So in hash card, when you click on hash card, okay, what you do is, let's say you are the initiator of the hash card. So you click on initiate. You click on initiate, and then you can select the number of persons that you want to be in. If, let's say, me and you watching this video are the people I want to, participate in this hash card, I will going to choose two persons, that is myself and you. So if it is three persons, that is going to be myself, you, and maybe your friend, and so it continues like that. If it is four persons, it will be me, you, and two other persons. So that's just how it goes. So for example, I'm going to click on, let me say, four persons. So I click on initiate right here, initiate. Hash card initiated successfully. So what do I do? So you can see that I am already on the list of this particular hash card, and the name of this particular hash card is referred to, because each hash card has a name. So this particular hash card is formation card. You can see it right there, formation card. So how do I add people in? So I'm going to copy the link, the code of this hash card. You can see copy right here, copy. So I'll copy it, then I'll go to the group, my group. So by the way, if you are watching this video, make sure you like and subscribe this to this channel, and like the video, and also share this video with your friend. And you can also join us in our Telegram and WhatsApp group, so that you can also participate in sharing hash card and gift card with us. So we continue. Now we are going to post the code of this hash card. Then we write beneath it, um, we say formation card, formation card, okay, formation card. So how many people does it need? Let's go and look at it again. It needs about, so I clicked on four persons. So myself, I'm already on the list, so I need three other persons. So I will write three people needed, or remaining, whichever way, whichever one needed though. So you will paste it in the Easy Earners Club. So as many that sees this thing, they will copy the link, they will copy the code, I beg your pardon. Okay, so you can just send the code again, so that they can just, it will be easy for them to copy. You copy the code and then come in here. So they will click on join, and this first gift card has been initiated. So let's use the second one, this B2 card, as an example. So I'm assuming now that somebody has pasted an hash card, I beg your pardon, an hash card in the group. Okay, and then I now go and copy the hash card, go and copy the hash card from the group. And I copy the hash card from the group. Remember, this one is the one I initiated is formation card. So I just using the B2 card as an example. So what do you want to do? If you have copied an hash card like that, you go to that hash card, the name, then you click on join. So when you click on join, then you now post the code there, and then click on confirm. Click on confirm. Okay, so that's how it goes. But I can't confirm this one because it's actually a formation card and not a B2 card. I just use B2 card as an example. So that's how it is. So when the three other people join and I see that it's complete, what do I do? If you are the initiator, what you do is you click on execute. There is a place where you execute. Once it's complete, you will see execute among the options right here. So you see execute there. And if you don't want to continue with the hash card again, before it's complete, you can just come and cancel it. Even when it's complete, if you don't want to execute, you can just come and cancel it. So the same process goes for the gift card. We are under gift card. So what happens is, if you are giving somebody a gift card, the person will be receiving um 30k mining hash, then while you will be receiving 1000 mining hash. But if somebody gives you a gift card, you will be receiving 30k hash, and while the person will be getting 1k hash. So that's just the way it works. At the end of the day, everybody still benefits and your mining rates will increase. But one thing you need to have in mind is that the 30k the 30k gift card, the 30k hash mining rate is actually meant for newcomers. Okay, so if you are a newcomer, if you have not been given a gift card before, so the first time you are collecting a gift card, okay, you be that's when you receive 30k hash. So once you receive the 30k hash, you can't receive 30k hash again because it's basically to help newcomers. Okay, so once you receive the 30k hash, you will see join or use gift card at somewhere around here. You will see use gift card somewhere around there. So the effect of both the gift card and the hash card, as I mentioned earlier, is that it increases your mining rate at this point right there. You can see my hash at that corner, so that's where it increases. So in this case now, my own my hash now is around 295. So if I give out a gift card right now, so it will increase by 1000. It will increase by 1000 hash, so that will be 296 hash. So another thing to note yet again is that if I give you gift card, for example, you and I will not be able to share gift card again. That is to say, I can't give you another gift card and you can't even give me any gift card. That is that about that. But we can still share hash card. So the moment I share hash card with you, okay, or you share hash card with me, I won't be able to give you another hash card and you will be able to you will be able to give me hash card. So if you create an hash card and you say 3 people remaining, if all those people join, those people that join that person, you will not be able to share any hash card again. But among them, if you have not shared any gift card before, you can still collect gift card. But remember what I said, that the moment you have collected gift card from anybody, the 30k gift card is only meant for new users. So you can, once you have taken the 30k gift card, the only thing you can do is to keep on giving out new users your gift card so that they can make use of that 30k hash rate, and then you take 1k hash. So if you want to initiate a gift card, what you do is you click on copy and go and send to the person. So you, like, for example, you copy this and then you go to the Easy Earners Club and you paste it in the group and you say gift card. You say gift card, okay? So whoever that sees it, okay, we copy it. You can post it again. We copy it and then go to their Satoshi app, and when they click on gift card, then they will see a place to join gift card. They will click on join just as in the case of Hashcard, they will click on join. Let's quickly go to the VERDA City app. So this is the VERDA City app. This is how it looks like. Okay, here's how the VERDA City app looks like. And for Satoshi app, if you are just joining, you don't know what Satoshi is, this is how Satoshi app looks like. By the way, the link to download and register on the Satoshi and the VERDA City app will be at the description section below this video. So let's continue with the VERDA City app. So right now we are in the VERDA City app. So what we want to do is, if you just join the VERDA City app, let me just use the opportunity to do this. Once you register and you're able to log in, so what you want to do is you click on this button up here. Okay, and then you click on, you claim the coins right here. You claim coins. Okay, and then you see it has claimed. Then it also gives you Bitcoin BTC daily, so you also click here. I've clicked today's one, so it won't allow me to claim again until tomorrow. So the next thing is to increase our mining rates. So what we want to do to increase our mining rates is to click on this icon here, reinforcement. So you click on it. Now you can see it says initiate. So you click on initiate right here. Okay, click on initiate. So just like Hashcard, you choose how many people you want to initiate with. So in this case, I will choose 3 people, and then I confirm. Click on the copy code. You can see very tiny here, this very tiny button right here. So I click on the code and I go and share in the group. So we just paste it and we write the name as Zubra. You make sure you take note of the name. Look at the name right here. Look at the name right here, S Zubra. So you go back to the group, and then you say 3 people needed, and you paste. Okay, so you can just paste it again so that it will be easy to click. So once they have joined, you just come and initiate as usual. Subscribe to this channel and like the video and share with your friends, and join our Telegram group. It's one big family we have there. Join our Telegram group, join our WhatsApp group. We are ready to help you in any way we can. This is the Easy Earners Club. Stay blessed.